Hi guys, welcome to Healthspectra.com. Amazing benefits of almond oil. We aren't unaware of the benefits of almonds, right? Being loaded with essential fats to enriching the brain functions and other essential body functions, almonds have a multifaceted approach to boosting our overall health. But, did you know about the benefits of almond oil? The concentrated essence of the almonds is quite actually beneficial in not just bettering your overall health, but also impact your skin and hair health as well. If you are still here wondering about the benefits, we have some to share. These wide ranges of benefits range from impacting your overall health as well as make your skin and hair amazing at the same time. Boosts your heart health. Almond oil is loaded with beneficial monosaturated fatty acids which actually do contribute to one's heart health. They boost heart functions and prevent the common ailments that could be a pivotal player in contraction of cardiovascular disease. Gets rid of puffy eyes. Almond oil is amazing for getting rid of the appearance of the puffiness around the eyes by rejuvenating the skin around it. The vitamin E content in the almond oil has beneficial effects in getting rid of the dark patches and puffiness. Lowers cholesterol level. Around 70% of the almond oil is instilled with beneficial monosaturated fatty acids which help increase the levels of HDL in the body, which helps in the easy transportation of the cholesterol in our body to the liver for further processing. Relieves arthritis. Almond oil possesses analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties which together ensure to not just relieve the pain in the muscle and joints, but also get rid of the excess swelling that is causing the person to experience an even worse condition that it has to be. Gets rid of skin tan. Almond oil acts as a natural sunscreen, protecting your skin from the harmful rays of the sun and preventing any kind of discoloration on the skin. It is loaded with SPF 5, which not just helps prevent your tanning, but also helps reverse the effects of the tan that you have procured. Gets rid of dark circles. Almond oil has a rich concentration of vitamin E which has beneficial effects in restoring the moisture under the eyes and enhancing the blood circulation as well, which helps in reducing the appearance of the dark circles. Has anti-aging properties. The vitamin E, as well as the rich concentration of monosaturated fatty acids, produces effective results in getting rid of signs of aging and also ensuring to effectively reverse their signs with extended usage. Use almond oil as a natural skin moisturizer on a daily basis, and that should help you see the results. Cure psoriasis and eczema. The application of almond oil benefits the skin and helps get rid of the dead and dry skin cells and helps restores the lost moisture. It acts as an emollient and helps soothe the itchiness and irritation that majority of the people feel. Boosts hair growth. Almond oil not just helps restore the lost moisture in the roots, it is also amazing in strengthening one's hair strands in the roots. It is also rich in magnesium, reduces the rate of hair fall, and prevents split ends and breakage, which contributes to healthy hair growth. Gets rid of dandruff. The emollient property of the almond oil helps in getting rid of the scaly and dead skin and soothes it. It also helps in boosting the growth of healthy skin cells, thus making the scalp healthier. Gets rid of split ends. Massaging the hair with almond oil helps to restore the moisture, strengthens the roots, and also helps in preventing the appearance of split ends. Mix a few different kinds of oils with almond oil and massage it onto the scalp twice or thrice a week for amazing results. Boosts eyelash growth. The rich concentration of vitamin E in the almond oil is amazing in boosting the natural growth eyelashes without any kind of side effect. The nourishing properties of this oil are what help in easy growth and strengthening of the hair that is present in the eyelashes. The benefits of almond oil are abundant. If you are still wondering about the why, it is time to make changes to those decisions. Join our WhatsApp subscription for latest health articles delivered right to your mobile devices. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to keep yourself updated.